Hi, I'm Chloe Herman and I'm a product manager at Credit Benchmark. I'm going to share an overview of our web app tool and run through the fundamentals of how to access consensus credit intelligence and put our insights to work, enabling you to make more effective credit risk decisions. Credit Benchmark provides consensus-based credit ratings based on entity-level risk estimates provided by global financial institutions. The Credit Benchmark web app allows you to visualize our data to help with a variety of use cases, including checking credit consensus ratings as part of credit reviews, benchmarking your own data against the consensus, monitoring your portfolios, and tracking credit indices. The entity page of the web app allows you to search for a legal entity using the entity name, legal entity identifier, Credit Benchmark ID, or your own internal firm ID, if provided. On the top left of the page, you can see the credit consensus rating for use in credit reviews, and below it, the number of contributing banks to this rating in the latest month. The chart on the right shows the movement of the consensus over time. We also provide a variety of metrics to provide additional context on how the consensus is moving, such as the opinion indicator. The opinion indicator shows where one or more banks have upgraded or downgraded their risk view of the given entity month on month. A green arrow shows an improvement, whereas a red arrow shows a deterioration. You can also view the distribution of underlying banks' contributions to get a sense of the spread of risk views. Where provided, you can also plot your own internal rating on the chart to compare to the consensus, or compare directly to credit ratings agencies where available, based on a pass-through license. If your data is submitted to Credit Benchmark, the Client Analytics page allows you to benchmark your own data against the consensus, identifying how often your ratings are more conservative or aggressive than the consensus. The charts provide a portfolio-level view of how your ratings compare to the consensus, with filters available to drill down into specific regions or sectors of the data. You can also view the underlying entities where your views are higher or lower than the consensus using the data tables below. You can monitor your own portfolios and set up email alerts on the My Portfolios page. Use the plus icon to create a new portfolio and the Add Entities button to update the list of names you're interested in, either by searching for specific names or uploading a list of identifiers. The action buttons can be used to customize your portfolio view, adding and removing data fields of interest, as well as providing the ability to set up email alerts, share your portfolios with other users, and export data to Excel for additional analysis. The aggregates page can be used for tracking credit indices and monitoring market sentiment. Search for an aggregate using the aggregate name, or use the filters, choosing from over 160 countries and nearly 200 industries and sectors. You can then click on an aggregate from the resulting table to view the credit trend. You can chart up to 4 different aggregates at a time to compare how different sectors are changing in comparison to each other. The Help pop-up provides additional useful information such as user guides and methodology documents. You can also click the Contact Us button throughout the web app to send a message to our support team, who are always happy to help get you set up or answer any further questions you may have. Check back here for updates as we continue to add new functionality to our web app. Thanks for listening.